Think about this for a moment. Every time you make a phone call, record a video, talk to your friends online, or sing into a mic, your voice is being captured perfectly. But how? How does a small device hear you and turn your voice into something a computer can understand? That tiny device is called a microphone, and without it, there would be no YouTube videos, no podcasts, no music recordings, and no voice messages. Microphones are everywhere, but most people never think about how they actually work. So in this video, we are going to break it down step by step and explain how microphones work in the simplest way possible. What is a microphone? A microphone is a device that converts sound into electrical signals. In simple words, it turns your voice into electricity. Once the sound becomes electricity, it can be recorded, stored, or sent to other devices like speakers or headphones. So microphones act like translators. They translate sound into signals that machines understand. Without this translation, devices would not be able to hear anything. Understanding sound first. Before we talk about microphones, we need to understand sound. Sound is not magic. It is just vibration. When you speak, your vocal cords vibrate. These vibrations push the air around you. This creates tiny waves in the air called sound waves. These waves travel through space until they hit something, like your ears, or a microphone. So microphones do not really hear. They simply detect these vibrations. The most important part, the diaphragm inside every microphone, is a very thin and flexible part called the diaphragm. You can think of it like a tiny drum skin. When sound waves hit the diaphragm, it vibrates back and forth, just like your eardrum inside your ear. This tiny movement is the first step in capturing sound. The diaphragm copies the exact shape of your voice vibrations. So if you speak loudly, it moves more. If you speak softly, it moves less. If your voice changes, the movement changes too. This movement contains all the information about your voice. Turning movement into electricity. Now comes the smart part. The microphone must turn this movement into electricity. Most microphones use magnets and coils to do this. Behind the diaphragm is a small wire coil placed inside a magnetic field. When the diaphragm moves, the coil moves too, and when a wire moves inside a magnetic field, electricity is created. This is basic physics. So the movement creates a small electrical current. This current changes exactly like your voice, which means the electrical signal is now a copy of your sound. That is how sound becomes electricity. Different types of microphones. Not all microphones work exactly the same way. There are different types for different uses. Dynamic microphones are strong and durable. They are used on stages and at concerts. They can handle loud sounds and rough use. Condenser microphones are more sensitive. They capture very clear and detailed sound. These are used in studios, podcasts, and YouTube videos. They need power from batteries or USB to work. There are also tiny microphones inside smartphones and laptops. These are called MEMS microphones. They are very small but still work using the same basic principle. Sound moves something. Movement becomes electricity. What happens after the signal is created? The microphone creates the electrical signal. The signal is sent to another device, like a computer, phone, or audio recorder. The device changes the signal into digital data. This digital data can be stored, edited, or sent over the internet. For example, when you record a video, your microphone captures your voice. Your phone converts it into digital audio. Then you can play it back anytime. During a call, your voice travels across the world in seconds. All because it was converted into electrical signals first. Real-life examples. Microphones are used everywhere in daily life. In phones for calls and voice notes. In headphones for gaming and chatting. In cameras for videos. In studios for music. In smart assistants like voice control devices. Even security systems use microphones. Without microphones, modern communication would not exist. They are small devices with a very big job. Why microphones are so important? Microphones allow us to share ideas, music, and stories. They help teachers teach online. They help singers perform. They help creators make videos. And they help us talk to people anywhere in the world. All thanks to a tiny vibrating piece of material inside a small device. It is simple technology, but extremely powerful. So how do microphones work? It is actually very simple. Your voice creates sound waves. Sound waves move the diaphragm. The diaphragm creates movement. Movement starts electrical signals, and those signals are recorded or sent to other devices. Sound to motion. Motion to electricity. Electricity to digital audio. That is the complete journey of your voice. All happening in just milliseconds. Pretty amazing, right? If you enjoyed learning how microphones work, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tech Spark for more simple technology explained. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.